This is the ACC module used on many Honda vehicles. DTC U3000-49 is a common fault with this module. Our replacement kit is available for the older and newer ACC modules, but they are different. This common DTC occurs on both versions. First, we connect it to the test bench for diagnosis. We'll read out its diagnostic trouble code, connect the power cables, grounding wires, and CAN bus lines properly. Once all connections are completed, we power up the module via the test bench. Open the diagnostic scanner and select Honda in the Diagnostic software. Then select the vehicle system option and choose Japanese-made vehicles. Click Confirm. Just click No here. Enter the control unit menu. Select Driver Assistance. Access the Integrated Driver Assistance System module. Click on Read DTC. As you can see, this is the original status of the module before repair. The system shows DTC U3000-49 with the fault description of internal electronic malfunction. Now, we start to use the repair kit. First, disconnect the power supply of the module. Unscrew the 4 fixing screws on the upper cover. Then separate the upper and lower casings slowly. Be extremely careful when separating them, because the circuit board is stuck to the inner side of the upper cover. If you apply excessive force, you will easily tear the flat cable. Gently hold the casing and remove the upper cover. Then we unlock the flat cable connector. Gently pull out the flat cable and take out the main board. The component inside is the core part we need to replace. Using a small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 fixing screws. Now you can take out the old components. This is our replacement. As you can see, this one is the old module. The difference between the old and new modules, besides part numbers, is in the shape of the flat connector. Here we need to use the new module. You can clearly see the difference. Align the new part with the mounting holes and place it in carefully. Tighten the fixing screws. Then reinstall the PCB. Connect the flat cable and lock the connector securely. Reattach the casing cover. Then tighten all the screws back into place. After assembly, reconnect the module to the test bench and read the DTC again for verification. Reconnect the power cables, ground wires, and CAN bus lines. We access the Diagnostic software again and went to the Integrated Driver Assistance System module. Check the DTC status. Now click to clear the Diagnostic trouble codes. After erasing the DTCs, we check again. As you can see, the previous fault code is no longer present. If the fault of the module was not fixed, this fault code could not be cleared at all. The fault U3000-49 was successfully repaired, ready to install on car.